Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace some text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the home menu. Then select the find and select option. Now I am select the find option. You can find anything. Now I am find some text. Then select find next option. We can see we find the text mother. You can replace this, select the replace option. Now I am replace the text 1. Click replace all. We can see here notification is all done. We made one replacement. Click OK and close the window. Now we can see we find and replace some text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.